I don't know about you, Badger, but I'm not superstitious. But I never walk under black cats. Hello, and welcome to the Spiral Dimension. I'm Doctor Von Hoot, and this is the returning Magic Badger. Say hello, Magic Badger.
Hi.
Yep, today, very excited. 2 CGC parcels have arrived. I bought them from eBay, different sellers. And yeah, we're just going to get on with it, crack them open, have a look at the slabs. Because, you know, why not?
Yeah.
Boom! Boom! Yeah. Spider-Man 16 in a 9.6 featuring the Black Cat as Venom on the cover. Venomized Black Cat, I guess. Yeah. It's a beautiful cover. I'm a big fan of Black Cat Badger. Yeah, she's one of my favourite characters from Spider-Man.
I don't really know her.
Yeah, well, she's not been in the films yet, so it's sort of like, you know, why would you know it? You haven't, not really familiar with the cartoons either, and you haven't ever read Spider-Man, so. But yeah, she's a wonderful character. She's similar to Catwoman in so much as she's sort of on again, off again. Peter Parker / Spider-Man's love interest outside of Mary Jane. And yeah, she's sort of a criminal, but sort of an anti-hero at the same time. Yeah, Felicia Hardy, her name is. And yeah, it's beautiful.
9.6, that is high.
Yeah, 9.6, it's really good. Really pleased. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't a lot, so I'm very happy to have it. And it is stunning. Yeah, very good. The story's by Dan Slott. And I will right, I will try to pronounce this. Giuseppe Caminicoli, I'm probably destroying that name, and Cam Smith art, says on here. Comic Exposure Edition, so it's a variant cover. Yeah, cool. And there's an advert on the back, you might as well have a look. Nothing exciting about that really.
I like it.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, I'm very pleased with this one. As I said, I'm a big fan of Black Cat. I've got an original piece of art from Felicia Hardy, Black Cat issue 1. Can't remember which page it is, but it's a full page of art from Andrew Wildman, which sooner or later I'll show on the channel. Yeah, it's a beautiful bit of art. And that's why I quite like collecting Black Cat stuff, as you will soon see. Because in this one, it's another Black Cat. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, the seller of this one did message me the other day because he was a little bit later posting it, and he's added a couple of freebies, which is always nice. The first one. Oh, cool. Shadow of the Bat action. Yeah.
Is it like Bat?
Yeah, it's part of the Night Quest series of Batman stories, I think. Yeah. Yeah, number 25, Shadow of the Bat, Night Quest. There you go. You see the cover properly there. It's quite a dark cover, but yeah, it's in pretty good condition too. That's really nice of it. Cool, and let's look and see what the other one is. Whopper.
Ooh, Catwoman.
Hey, I love a bit of Catwoman. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's really nice. Yes, yes. Catwoman is also one of my favourite characters, but on the Batman spectrum. You know a little bit more about Catwoman, surely.
Yeah.
You'll have seen her in Batman Returns. You've seen Batman Returns? You've seen the Dark Knight and Dark Knight Rises, and yeah, no, you haven't seen the Batman. Yeah. Okay, so you know a little bit more about Catwoman. Oh, that's brilliant. Really chuffed with that as a freebie. And the main event. Black Cat number 1 in a 9/6. And it's a variant cover.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's nice.
that is nice.
It is beautiful art. Chris Anker. Anker? Yeah, Chris Anker variant cover. Issue 1 again, so that's awesome. And 9.6 white pages. White pages on the other one as well. But yeah, so very chuffed with these. It's always good to get a couple of more slabs in the collection, and I'm really digging Black Cat as a character to collect the covers of for obvious reasons. They're always beautiful.
She looks cool.
Yeah, she looks cool. That's basically it. Yeah, she's a cool character, and the art's always really stunning. So, 2 very thumbs up for that. 2 very thumbs up? What does that mean? Okay, one last thing. Let's call upon the majesty of our man Clive. You alright, Clive?
Yes.
Ah, you got a good one.
Yes.
Tremendous.
Thanks, Clive.
Cheers, Clive. See you later.
See ya.
Yes, and we've got the Nicktoons cards again today, which is Magic Badger's favourites that we do. I like them very much too. I just prefer them when they don't have so many Rugrats. So let's see.
Yeah, I can understand that.
We got a pack that was mainly Rugrats, and we've done a pack that was predominantly Ren and Stimpy. So I feel like we need to do a pack that's predominantly Doug now. But I'd be happy with Ren and Stimpy again. Crack it open.
Do your tattoos.
Oh no, you do the tattoos and I'll do the top one. Ah, that's from Doug. Brilliant. And it's got a how to play on the back. Spitball Soccer. Yes.
Yes.
Roger, he's the sort of bad guy in Doug.
Yeah. I haven't really watched it.
No, I keep forgetting to show you it.
Yeah, it does look like it is Doug themed because all of these tattoos.
Oh yeah, they're all Doug. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, nice.
I don't know any of those people, but
No, I know. I will. I promise. I'll get some Doug on the go because I think you'll like Doug. It's a really fun series. I mean, it's been years and years since I watched it. But I remember he used to collect a comic book called Quail Man, and he bought issue 1, which was really expensive, from a guy in a car park who had probably stolen it, and he bought it anyway, even though it was stolen goods. And I'm sorry, I'm spoiling Doug for you now. It's been a while. I think we've passed the time where we have to worry about spoilers for old cartoons. Yeah, so he finds out that his local comic shop was broken into, and they stole the comic from the local comic store, and he felt terrible. Yeah, that's what the main episode I remember. I like it a lot. But yeah, I like Roger. He's cool. Wow, he's not cool. He's a bad guy, but like it's cool that we've got the card. And we've got Phil and Lil from the Rugrats. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, all about the characters. And more Rugrats is, oh no, is mixing them today. Cool. Got a different set. And they're the mum and dad Rugrats, you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Back of that. Cool. Really cool.
We only watched some of it.
Ren and Stimpy, yeah, we've got it, but I keep forgetting to put it on. But yeah, you've seen a few episodes, yeah. And there's the back of that. Cool. And that, we've got more Rugrats. And lastly, but no means least, it's another Ren and Stimpy, which is and the back of that one. Cool beans. Brilliant. Right, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Please like and subscribe, have a look at our Instagram, and yeah, have a good week.
From the Spiral Dimension.